Today I'm gonna cook my signature dish, which is soft potato cream shrimp.
Hello everyone, I'm Chef Gagandeep Singh, Executive Chef, Shangri-La Eros, New Delhi.
Hello everyone, I'm Mattia Bianchi, Chef in Verona. So today I'm gonna cook my signature dish, which is soft potato cream shrimp and Mediterranean shrimp. Is a traditional Italian meal to get the Mediterranean flavor.
Let's start.
Let's start, yes. So we need to boil medium the prawns.
Okay.
So we boil inside this broth. We are ready with the prawns. Okay. So we let them in the chopping board and we cut in 3 pieces then. When the prawns are cooked, we take it, we cut in 3 small pieces. So once the prawns are ready, we salt with a medium salt, you know, very good quality. We season with some extra virgin olive oil. And here we are. The prawns are ready. Feel the flavor. So we have the tomato sauce. We put some fresh basil inside. We season well. Very nice flavor. Basil. Wow. Here we are.
So fresh.
And then we put a full spoon, on the bottom of the plate.
Okay.
One more. Yes. Let's go with the prawns. Yeah, we cover with the foam. Wow, that's enough, chef. Yes. And then you use the basil powder on top.
Beautiful.
Look,
I think so
like
many
Italian flag, you see?
Yeah.
And then the tomato powder as well. So you can finish with the salmon eggs. Yes.
Okay.
Beautiful. Here we are, soft potato cream, prawns and Mediterranean shrimp.
Look
This is
beautiful,
one
chef.
of my signature dish.